Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this episode, we're going to explain how paper call can benefit independent insurance agents. Paper call campaigns are the best way for independent insurance agents to find new customers. This is because they're licensed by a specific state, providing coverage and plans to people in a specific city, county, or wider area. Paper call campaigns, whether they're advertisements on mobile devices, SEO, and even traditional ad flyers, can be used to generate calls from targeted areas that result in high-quality phone leads for your business. SEO and call to action go hand in hand to drive inbound calls. Making sure you have correct keywords and call to action are crucial for your success as an independent insurance agent. If potential clients find your website but there's no call to action, it may result in a wasted page visit. Now, let's say you have all the right keywords and the right call to action. How do you know who those customers are and whether they've used your website to find you? It's simple. Call tracking. With Ringba's call tracking software, you have access to all of the data you need to run successful SEO and CTA campaigns. Scheduling your ads. What are your business hours? That's when you should be running your ads. When people need a service and they see your ad, they'll want to pick up the phone and get that service right away. But if you leave them hanging, then they may find an alternative. Also, don't forget to look into peak call times and days when people would want to call your business the most. Location targeting. Don't waste your advertising budget targeting anyone outside of your licensing area. It's a waste of your advertising budget and of both the caller and your time. When you get quality leads for your licensed area, the better off your business is. Focus on your demographics and know your caller's insights with call tracking. Call tracking equals success. Make sure your marketing dollars are going towards campaigns that increase conversions. The best way to do this is with call tracking. No one wants a negative ROI. Knowing the number of total calls, quality of those calls, and number of closed calls will help you create a campaign sure for success. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.